want to get food.
I'll give it to you.
I'll get to them in that food. Joe!
I want at this stress. I'm going to pay for it.
What if they call you that they say to some plate number, get accident? Eh? If we talk about fridge, there's something we do as if say.
Okay, shut up.
Okay.
Why do your mom is still there?
Yeah, for me. Something like you okay. Yeah, okay. Straight abi?
Straight.
So, I come and say, so na second na here. I go come back. Me, oh God, na in the scene, na just about where one see you. One make you come back, but you come back na New Year's. I say no. Who be that person where you call, where you say make you come? Huh? Joy!
I'm working on this guy.
Who are you? Prince.
Prince, I don't know why.
Okay, who are you? Harrison. Still stress, are you?
Yeah.
I'll start again.
Well, I got stress.
Okay. I'm going to come up now.
Mom, I'm trouble.
That's not the thing. Anyway, everybody live their life. And if I'm around, they are with everybody. That is the prayer. So anytime your sense come back to normal, if you just call. As you dey normal now, I can't say, as you come Christmas, come Christmas. If I dey normal now, I go say, yeah, I go tell you, Chinedu come Christmas, you go come Christmas. Chinedu come, no go blood.
I did not tell you to come Christmas. You practically forced yourself that day.
I lie you. He asked me to come for Christmas.
You practically forced yourself that day. So don't tell me that I call
for
Christmas. Because when I'm married here, yesterday was.
The day asked me to come.
Yesterday for yourself.
It was 23rd.
You know when I called you? You know where I was when I called you? No. But you know I went to Anambra today, right?
Yes, thank God you're back.
Huh? Mm-hmm. Just so lucky, eh? But if I'm new to some new here, come on over here. Eh?
Come on, I'm making notice. The GM that as well.
So where are you about this?
I don't
know where.
Yeah, both those them are Enugu friends. He said I'm going to
Anambra tomorrow.
Huh?
I'm going to Anambra tomorrow evening. Unless tomorrow. If you want to go now, but I didn't service my car.
Huh?
I'll come to that Hage do that. But that my car is not serviced.
Okay, you can Hage do that. There was no problem. Okay, you know how many hours I drive this car today?
How many hours do you intend to drive it?
I'm not driving like
since 10th. I basically don't know who you can do this for a very long time.
But any patch at one, you know, say go get time for one.
Oh my God, I got
Oh,
you.
like, are you now? I see one more. I could say today we're going to the one.
Oh,
And that I'm Enugu.
so you go out of there. I got moved any other knows now.
No, stop, bro.
Okay, you go. Okay, stop. I'm going to like a straight. I'm going to like this side. You stop.
Okay.
Why? But we are not going straight.
I got
We are going this way. Come on.
to the.
Because you don't beat traffic, you don't have to get one. I don't want 10,000 naira.
We focus on before we divert where we are going to. This time we got some we are going left or right. Go out to direction one.
I don't know how to direct someone, so you better use your head.
We are going to
They drive one straight. They go straight.
Auckland Hotel.
Okay. Oh yeah, and this is what this when we get teach, they don't want teach. That's but you know if I did busy like this now, I know they know where I did. So all una question more than question drive to the question drive to.
Oh, well,
Always stress my life.
yeah. If there's couple that you go pay. If I
Upon I know that joint like 3 minutes.
yeah, Goshen Estate, I'm at the right, at least.
I have a question. It's straight. Yeah, junction. Yeah, roundabout. It's a junction. Yeah, Fidelity Estate, not Goshen Estate.
But for like you go to Goshen Estate, I think.
Goshen Estate, I don't around there.
Why they bomb something like this?
What the hell? Right, keep it.
Right.
Yes.
No lights. They together. I think I come on what I was.
Oh, what a so, but I want if you can get another space, now you have another.
I'm going out tomorrow now.
What can wear tomorrow?
Why?
What I think I hear see.
I'm not there for. I'm even there for us now.
What you there for village?
Your siblings.
Anthony, you go now.
No, surprise. You came by that time. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So where are we going to now?
I'll drive one straight. We're going to Enugu.
I mean, okay, we are. It's big, oh. That time, what is it for the small one?
That time was how many years ago? Oh, that's what since I know. So for the reasons,
You better know what they own now.
I can get compression part to do to people when I go.
Chimene.
Came back yesterday by 10:30 from Abuja.
Okay. No, no. Nga I go na ngom. Nseke sendra na ego na meji go ni hotel akpọ nwa na ọ ga na bia bia no. Ga ba. Wait, calm down. I'm still refreshing myself. When I come back, I go invite you that you must fuck woman. Sorry. No, I enter there. You follow for the drive. You go remove the sound. I don't forget. I remove the sound. Or straight?
Straight.
Okay, any issues like that?
Straight. It's going to be helpful.
I might cheat it. I'm going to say, where? I passed this junction when I was in
Straight.
okay. But you know, say, okay. Which car is that?
Don't worry. Turn. I see you.
Straight or
Turn. I see straight. See.
like this?
I got an kid now.
When they shut the bus, I can send character if you have done that. That's like that. I can go send character. You must take to be able. You shall have.
Well, we should have much.
Well, that's your nose.
So, why you go buy a before?
So, not bad. I'm testing that.
I can't remember that.
Huh? About New Haven.
So, we follow inside the
Okay, yeah, New Haven estate.
estate.
I always say all street or the city. The name of Jesus.
And the police is there about
Or give me the maganos of God.
you have to yourself.
If I take the shot,
You have to
4 o'clock.
You have to But I called you around 3:30. You see me on my hand. Huh?
3 that time when you call me. I did now that time when we did the first that fridge. The first that.
But this guy, I'll try.
Boy, no, as a 4 o'clock, as a I do 4 o'clock, I dodge. Dodge now. Dodge.
I know.
I dodge 4 o'clock, dodge. I come out dodge 5 o'clock. They hear me. They hear me.
Yeah, you give me a reason not to trust anything she don't understand.
Oh, no, don't talk like that.
No, you are giving me a reason not to trust anything.
If I tell you, oh, you have to trust me. But you have to extend it like
yeah, young man.
Wait, Chinedu. I told you I was going today. I wish I'm not with you. I have fulfilled my promise. Simple.
Which promise? Me, I never had any agreement. I told you not to even come, sir. I said,
you not come.
You know, you can't make it to Enugu today. Forget about it because I won't be around. When I never need to Enugu now, it's not Enugu now. You know, I have no. Chinedu will have to be travel. Seriously. What happened to you?
How the hell will be your time? I don't see him on street.
Huh?
Then I buy them then.
No.
Maybe sir. Yeah. Merry Christmas, Chief.
I wish you the best. My boys are here, sir. Do better.
Now $100. Oh, now $50 where remain down. I'm not gonna lie. Now. I'm from Imo State. The not finish. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Let me know. That is.
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, yeah. I come to know. That's what you say.
I call the motor service.
Oh, delay.
Huh?
Chibam press. There no time like that. I know this road.
I can't do it. Now, ever push up, sure.
You should like this.
You haven't pushed up, sure. Like, I'm on camera now, Saturday night.
Give what you want to engines are what you get.
I get it.
The engines are what you can arrive.
I don't know.
Today, I go and make a fuel. I take me again. I want us to have here. I never eat. You 1 hour.
I don't have any really make a time.
Since that time,
Don't press my head. I was going to do it.
I was thinking,
You go that junction, take your left. Whoever take your left. I have what's
from here.
I have what's
From here.
Yeah, take your
Now go straight, right? Go ahead, I know other. However,
The one day restaurant and I get back.
they got some gas threats now.
That was what I told you.
Always some. Yeah.
Right, that one last stress can be seen in the never and I get back.
I'm packing something. I'm packing another. I can space I'm not outside the ball. I can space I'm
I
not.
ain't paying the guy back now. You're not eating the food inside though, because I can't wait to eat it.
Which I'm not to the food stuff. Up to that thing. I'm not something. I'm a pogo.
Over me.
Okay.
Don't come here again.